I do not know of a metric that runs counter to this. This led us to believe that fitness and health were varying different measures of the same reality. Suggested that rather strongly. But we did understand this, that if there's anything in your lifestyle, in your training regimen, in your recreational pursuits, take that broadly, if there's anything in your life that has one of these metrics moving in the wrong direction, I want you to seriously entertain the possibility you're doing something profoundly wrong. Because what we find when you do CrossFit, when you're doing constantly varied high-intensity functional movements and eating meat and vegetables, nuts and seeds, some fruit, little starch, no sugar, and getting to plenty of sleep every night, that we don't have this specter of what we would call side effect. I don't have, wow, everything's getting great, but this one value's just going the wrong direction and quickly.